What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find a weighted average in Excel. So this example, we're working with a stock portfolio of 5 stocks, and we have the stock ticker, number of shares, price per share, the value is the number of shares times the price per share, and the 3-month return of each of these stocks. And now to calculate the weighted average, what we're going to use is the function Sumproduct. And this takes one column or one row, in this case we're using columns, and it multiplies each entry by a corresponding additional column. So we see 935 is going to be multiplied times -8%. Then it's going to add that to 1200 times 35% and so forth. And now it's important that we also need to divide by the total dollars invested. Doing this gives it the full weighted average effect, and it gives us the weighted average of 16.2%. Now, as we'll also see, it's different than taking a straight average. If we just do the equals average function, we're going to get a return of around 12.5%, which is not accurate because that's assuming we have, say we have total $6,000 invested. That's saying we have the same amount of dollars invested in each stock, which isn't the case. And so that's why we need to weight by the number of dollars in each stock. And that gives us our true return of 16.2%. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Bye.